In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to start by opening Settings. In them, select Bluetooth section over here and enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher next to it. After that, just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one. In order to continue, you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to do exactly the same. As you can see, after a while, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this little icon next to chosen device and select Unpair under its name. Then, to connect to the same one, just click on it and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!